Now we are going to start our fifth chapter, Geography, Water. From lower classes, we already learned about sources of water, water cycle, etc. So, what is water cycle? The process by which water continuously change its form and circulate between ocean, atmosphere and land. It is known as the water cycle. Then what are the major sources of fresh water? Major sources of fresh water are rivers, pond, spring, glacier, etc. Then we know that the ocean bodies and seas contain salty water. The ocean water contain large amount of dissolved salt. Most of the salt is sodium chloride or common table salt that you eat. In the right side, you can see the picture of water cycle. Next, we want to study about the distribution of water bodies. We all know that 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered by water. Around 97.3% it is saline water. Remaining ice cap, it is 0.2 percentage groundwater, 0.68 percentage freshwater lake, 0.009 percentage inland seas and salt lake, 0.009 percentage atmosphere, 0.0019 percentage river, 0.0001 percentage. So from this table we can understand that ocean water, it is 97.3 percentage. That means the saline water. Next topic, ocean circulation. The movements that occur in the ocean can be divided into waves, tide and currents. First, it is waves. What is waves? When the water on the surface of ocean rise and fall alternately, they are known as the waves. Sometimes the wind blowing at high speed form a huge waves. Earthquake, volcanic eruption or underwater landslide can shift large amount of ocean water. As a result of a huge tidal waves is formed. It is known as tsunami. That may be height as 15 meters. Tsunami is a Japanese word that means harbor waves.